how to correct bad posture and go from this to this with one simple exercise you can do for as little as 2 minutes a day. Hi, Patrick Phillip here at Effective Martial Arts Home Edition, and in this very quick video I'll share with you my favorite exercise to correct and improve posture virtually instantly. So let's start by defining the problem. What is bad posture? Few things. Number one, rounded shoulders, where the thumbs are pointing inside and the shoulders are too far forward. Number two, rounded upper back or thoracic spine. Too much of a hunchback, essentially, leaning forward. This will also bring your head forward, makes you look down. This is no good, doesn't make you look confident, and create a lot of problems in the neck. And then if you want to look up, you're going to have to lift the chin, and that makes you look even weirder. And the last aspect of poor posture would be too much of a pronounced curve in the lower back. This is usually linked to weak abs, so we have a whole series on strengthening the abs as well on our channel. But here, you want to just correct here by having a moderate curve in the lower back. So, how do we correct all that? Well, basically, we're going to take it to the other extreme. Real simple. You can do this standing up. You don't need any equipment. You don't need any, you don't even need to lie down. You could just correct it yourself. So here it goes. You're going to go from thumbs pointing forward here and hunchback, whatever posture you have currently. You want to start by rising up. So almost like you want to arch your back. You really want to exaggerate that upper back position and make it not only straight, but almost curved backwards in the upper back. This will naturally lift your head. At the same time, you want to tuck your chin here, and then you want to flex your abs to tilt your pelvis in the proper direction here. So this makes your spine virtually straight, and then if you can, you want to take it a little bit further to almost arch it. Already you should feel the muscles in your back working. And the last aspect is to have your thumbs, whereas they're naturally pointing forward, you want to take them pointing all the way back. So that pulls your shoulders backwards. Now, this is not a passive exercise. Don't just stay in this position. You want to flex all those muscles that are pulling backwards. So flex your back, flex the back of your neck, look up, flex your abs, and especially flex the back of your shoulders. So you see from a different angle over here, I want to have back is round, everything is moving forward. I want to arch up and pull. So the thumbs are pointing backwards, and you can see all the muscles in the upper back now are pulling backwards, and they're really pulling the shoulders. I'm touching my shoulder blades together. In this position, you don't want to just stay there. Also, you want to introduce a little bit of movement as well, because you want stability, but you also want a dynamic stability. So you can go a little bit side to side over here. You can go a little bit up and down. And if you're doing this correctly, you should feel a good burn in the muscles in your back and back of the shoulders. So this is an active exercise. I told you it was going to be quick, but it won't be easy. You need to feel the burn in order to improve the strength of those muscles and really correct your posture. Hold it for about 30 seconds or so. Remember to breathe. Deep breath. And move up, move down, move left, move right, and play with the position until you can really feel all those muscle fibers really firing up and getting stronger. Now, when you let go, a magical thing happens. You're naturally in a better posture, even at rest. This applies the principle that maybe you've seen this. I've learned this when I was a kid. A little trick. You put your hands on a door frame and you force upwards, and then you do that for like a minute or so, or 30 seconds. When you let go, your hands kind of naturally float up. Well, this exercise makes use of the same principle. By taking it to the other extreme and strengthening those muscles in that extreme position, naturally your body at rest will find a more happy medium, and in this case would be better posture. Nice straight thoracic spine, shoulders pulled back, head, chin tucked with a straight neck, ears right over the shoulders, and a little bit of a pelvic tilt here, so you have the nice tight abs and not too much curve in the lower back. So we apply this principle in martial arts as well. So when a technique is not optimal, we will often take it to the other extreme in order to correct that technique. So quick example, if you're doing a punch and you're doing a cross, but you're leaning too far forward, which is compromising your base and exposing your head, we can, as a drill, introduce the aspect of doing it with the head back. So we're almost leaning back as we're doing that cross, and then we can find the appropriate way to do it. So this is a concept we use in a lot of different exercises in striking, grappling, and wrestling in our system. And you can apply it to your fitness training as well. And in this case, to correcting your posture. So once again, quick recap here. You want to correct the thoracic spine by pulling your upper body nice and straight. You want to pull your head back, tuck your chin, and look up. And you want to pull your shoulders back by your thumbs. Now they're pointing forward. You want them pointing backwards. In this position, you really want to flex those muscles in the upper back and the abs at the same time, and the back of the neck, and the back of the shoulders. Move a little bit, go left, go right, until you feel a very good burn in those muscles in the back. You really should feel a good burn. You can hold it for anywhere from 30 seconds to a minute or more. It's really about the sensation that you feel. You should feel your muscles burning. It's basically a resistance training exercise. So same as when you're lifting weights or you're doing push-ups, you want to feel your muscles working, getting stronger. Feel the pain. It means that the muscles are adapting to the stimulus that you're introducing. Remember to breathe always and really feel those muscles working. It's not a passive exercise. Hold it, breathe, and then when you let go, magic. You have instantly improved your posture. So try it. Let us know if you try it right now. Pause the video, try it, and then come back. Write in the comment. Does this work for you? If this is for a loved one, have them do it. Coach them. Stay positive with your feedback and comment below. Tell us if it worked for you. Click like if you've enjoyed. And for more awesome fitness tips and tricks, because fitness is a huge part of your martial arts training. I think everybody should train fitness, but it's a prerequisite to be a good martial artist, to be in great shape. And anybody who's interested in martial arts should definitely train their fitness. But regardless, everybody should train their fitness because you have to take care of your body because that is where you live. So if you want more great content on fitness, talks to develop your mind and acquire powerful knowledge, as well as technique tutorials for striking, wrestling, and grappling. So that's what we did here at Effective Martial Arts. We basically created a belt system for MMA, one structured curriculum for striking, wrestling, and grappling. So everything you need to know to be able to defend yourself in hand-to-hand combat. So subscribe right now if you're not subscribed already. We're still just getting started and really excited about all the powerful content we got coming your way. So signing off, Patrick Fulop here at Effective Martial Arts Home Edition. Thank you very much for watching. Practice well.